Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your LED TV accepts a USB Bluetooth dongle and that the dongle is compatible. Once confirmed, power the TV off briefly and plug the dongle into a rear or side USB port so it seats firmly. Turn the TV on and navigate to Settings, then Sound or Connections to open the Bluetooth menu. You do this now because the TV must detect new hardware before pairing. Make sure the TV's Bluetooth or external device option is visible before moving to pairing. Once the dongle is detected, set your headphones or speaker into pairing mode so the device is discoverable. The LED indicator typically blinks. On the TV's Bluetooth list, select the dongle or the accessory name and choose Pair or Connect. This tells the TV to establish the link. If the TV prompts for a PIN, enter 4 digits like 0000 or 1234, or simply accept the prompt on both devices. Make sure the TV's audio output is set to the Bluetooth accessory. After pairing, to finish, play a short video and test audio, adjusting both TV and accessory volumes until output is clear. Once working, secure the dongle so it does not wobble in the port. A USB extender helps prevent strain. If audio fails, try the single-key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle both TV and accessory, then repair. Also verify the TV's audio output is set to Bluetooth and not TV speakers. These steps solve most connection and routing issues and get you back to listening quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.